What's up, guys? Got this new HD camcorder that I bought. Just out for a cruise, checking it out here. I don't know how it's gonna look or how it's gonna focus or any of that stuff. We're checking it out. We're gonna give her a shot. See. I don't even know if I got the autofocus on or not or anything. I don't know where I got the white balance. I got it on auto, I guess. So I don't know how it's going to look or anything. I know I like how I can just grab this camera and point it at stuff. That's pretty slick. It's one of them ones with the flip open lid on it. It's just a camcorder, but it was super ultra cheap. I'm not even going to tell you how cheap it was. It was so cheap. But I will I'm going to get out here in the country and we're going to crank this up a little bit. Get this pop can out of here. Put my flashlight in there, and we can see the subs. I'm gonna do a little bit of night recording, and then tomorrow morning I'll get up before I go up to see Dad, and we'll check it out in the daylight. We'll see how she works out in the daylight too. So the first video will be a nighttime video. So far, I like it. You know, it was a little bit interesting to get used to. It's small. It's about the size of a phone, and it's got a flip open on the side that turns and stuff, so I can look at it at different angles. You don't have to be right straight at it. It's a Vivitar 1080 HD. I think I only got it set on 720 right now, if I'm not mistaken. Actually seems to get the road pretty good and everything. That's pretty cool. I don't even have the brights on. I've never even played Bass I Love You in this setup at all yet. It'll be the first time. So here we go. Little Bass I Love You from Bassotronics. take this home and render it, and we'll see how it turns out on the video.